To start, go to Create TTV Campaign tab. On the left, click on Content Translation where you will see two available templates on the right. Click on Template Translate Robot Commands to Natural Conversation. Hiregroup is more suitable for this task, and to produce better results, you can choose Top Performers, Data Services, or Best Rated Countries. Let's use this one. This is called the Simple Mode, also your campaign interface, meaning this is what workers will see when they click your job from the jobs list. For 2 cents, we can get 1-sentence translation. I find the task instruction very detailed, so I will not make any changes to it. For step 2, to edit, you must switch to Builder mode first. Then click the pen icon here in step 2. I will use CSV file for this campaign, so I will not have to enter all values one by one. Update variable text1 by adding $sign here, then type robot command here. Click Save Step. For the title, let's make it easy to understand. Translate robot command to human conversation sentence. Click Create Campaign and go to Next. This is the part where we get our sample CSV file. Click this button here, then click the downloaded file to open. The column name is our own variable name. Let's delete these and replace them with our own data. Copy and paste. Then make sure you click Save as CSV MS-DOS. Let's customize the file name, then save. Okay, we're back here in the template. Click Choose File. Select our new CSV file, then click Upload. Alright, all robot commands are uploaded. I choose ascending order for this campaign. I don't have or need test cases for this, so auto rate will remain unchecked because I want to rate all the tasks personally. Click Preview and Confirmation. Look here. This is the first record in our CSV file. Each worker will see a new robot command automatically. Unlike Google Sheets, CSV lets you easily manage large amounts of data and ensure that each record is assigned to only one worker, keeping everything organized and exclusive. Click Confirm then OK to queue your campaign for review. And that's it. To see your submitted campaigns, just click on My TTV Campaigns and it will display a list. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.